So for today's video, we are going to talk about Proton VPN and Malvad, which is we are going to compare these two, which is the two privacy-focused VPNs. So first, we're going to talk about the Proton VPN. So Proton VPN offers high security with no logs policy and a secure core as well as having a privacy focused, and of course they offers a free plan. So the cons of it is it has slightly higher prices, and Malvad has emphasizes privacy with anonymous accounts. So the pros of it is it has no logs policy and anonymous payments and also simple pricing. And the cons, it only offers a fewer server locations. So, in comparison, Proton VPN for global coverage and security, and just choose Mulvad for extreme privacy and simplicity. And for the best privacy, Mulvad wins. But for better coverage and features, Proton VPN is superior.